Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today let's talk about supplements. I don't want to scare you, but there's something crucial you should know. We all understand that vitamins, minerals and antioxidants are crucial for our health, right? Usually, we get these essentials in right amounts from our daily diet. However, there's a common belief that taking extra multivitamin supplements can prevent diseases and boost your health. Have you ever taken vitamin C, zinc, or vitamin B complex? Many people do, thinking it's good for them. By the way, I don't take any. But here's the thing. Some research suggests that taking vitamins or dietary supplements might unintentionally help cancerous tumors grow. There is some evidence that taking high doses of certain vitamins, such as vitamin C and E, may increase the risk of some cancers by stimulating the growth of new blood cells within cancer cells. However, this does not mean that all vitamins and supplements are harmful for cancer prevention or treatment. Some vitamins, such as vitamin D, may have protective effects against some cancers by modulating the immune system and inhibiting cell proliferation. The effects of vitamins and supplements on cancer risk may also depend on the type, stage, and location of the cancer, as well as the individual's genetic and environmental factors. Therefore, it is best to consult with your doctor before taking any vitamins or supplements, especially if you have a history of cancer or are undergoing cancer treatment. It is also advisable to eat a healthy and balanced diet that provides adequate amount of vitamins and minerals from natural sources rather than relying on supplements. It sounds complicated, but let's break it down. In simpler terms, these supplements can promote the formation of new blood cells in tumors, which is a crucial step in their growth. Antioxidants found in vitamins like A, C, selenium, and zinc can stimulate the growth of these blood vessels if taken in excess. What does excess mean? It's when you take multivitamins without a real deficiency and without specific symptoms. When you overdo it with supplements, they can activate a mechanism in your cells that actually encourages tumors to form new blood vessels. So here's the catch. You don't need to fear antioxidants found in your regular food. It's the excessive intake of these vitamins in supplement form, especially when you're not deficient, that's the issue. Now that we have got a simple explanation of how vitamin supplements can help tumors grow, let's think about what's best for your health. So, what's your choice? Are you going to reconsider those supplements and focus on a balanced diet? Now let's explore the reasons people turn to supplements. Why do many people turn to supplements for their health? Let's explore some common reasons. Perceived health benefits. Many individuals believe that nutritional supplements can improve their overall health or address specific health concerns. They may have heard or read about the potential benefits of certain supplements in magazines, online articles, or from friends and family. Self-diagnosis. Some people may self-diagnose health issues and believe that supplements can provide a quick and easy solution to their perceived problems. They might think that they have a deficiency or health issue that requires supplementation. Marketing and advertising. The supplement industry invests heavily in marketing and advertising, often making bold claims about the benefits of their products. People may be influenced by these messages and feel compelled to try these supplements. Preventive measures. Some individuals take supplements as a preventive measure, hoping to reduce the risk of developing certain health conditions such as cardiovascular disease or osteoporosis. Peer pressure. Social influences can play a significant role. If friends or family members are taking supplements and have experienced perceived benefits, it can encourage others to follow. Lack of awareness. Some people may not be aware of potential risks or interactions between supplements and medications they may be taking. They might assume that supplements are safe because they are available over the counter. Seeking natural alternatives. Individuals who prefer natural or holistic approaches to health may turn to supplements as a way to support their well-being without relying on pharmaceutical drugs. Convenience. Taking supplements can be convenient for individuals with busy lifestyles who may not have time or inclination to focus on a balanced diet. We all want to be at our best to feel healthy and vibrant, right? And it's no secret Vitamins and supplements have gained popularity as quick fixes for health concerns. But before you reach out for that bottle, let's talk about how to resist the urge to use supplements when they might not be necessary. Consult a healthcare professional. Your health is unique, and so are your needs. Before diving into supplements, consult with a qualified healthcare provider or a registered dietitian. Assess your diet. Take a good look at what's on your plate. Are you getting a colorful variety of fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains? A balanced diet can be very powerful. Know your health status. Don't guess, but assess. If you suspect deficiencies or health issues, seek a professional diagnosis. Self-diagnosing can lead to unnecessary supplements. Educate yourself. Knowledge is your shield. Research supplements and their potential risks. Be an informed consumer. Question marketing claims. Those flashy claims on supplement bottles? Approach them with skepticism. Remember, independent research is often more reliable. Set realistic expectations. Remember, supplements aren't magic pills. Long-term health requires patience and holistic life changes. Manage stress. Stress can lead to impulsive decisions. Practice stress management techniques like mindfulness or yoga to stay grounded. Seek natural sources. Whenever possible, opt for natural food sources like whole foods, which offer a buffet of nutrients in perfect balance. Track your progress. Keep a health journal. Monitor your well-being, energy levels, and overall vitality. It's your roadmap to health. Seek support. Share your journey with loved ones. Seek their encouragement and support in making health choices. Stay informed. Keep learning about nutrition and health. Knowledge is your superpower. And remember, supplements have their place, but it's crucial to ensure that any use is evidence-based and tailored to your unique health needs. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Till then, stay happy and stay healthy.